Just gonna take a little bit of. Creamy, rich. Now you see the coconut yogurt is already fermented already and into a yogurt, and which is absolutely delicious. So I have a little bit of yogurt here. It's thick, creamy, like, and my favorite topping is cut some banana out, you know. Okay, throw a little bit of granola. That's one of my favorite things. And a little bit of white berry in here. And this is absolutely easy to do. You can ferment your own coconut yogurt. So just take time, and it's very absolutely delicious. This is one of my favorite breakfast meal. Love it, you know. So next time we're gonna make different kind of yogurt, and hope you like our channel and subscribe down below. And I'm gonna taste this coconut yogurt. It's one of my favorite. I'll let you know, okay? Yummy, yummy. Just gonna take a little bit of. Creamy, rich coconut, absolutely dairy free. So it's plant-based, and it's absolutely delicious with all the goodies. You can throw in any kind of goodies you want: chocolate chips, hemp nuts, flaxseed, whatever, extra nuts and seeds for protein. And it's absolutely love it, and this is one of my favorite breakfasts. So subscribe below, and hope you like our channel.